display today has been specially choreographed for Red Bull and its guests. And if you look closely on the screen, you'll see the missile tubes on the side of this aircraft. Some of the text, some of the writing is upside down. That's because you need to be able to read it whatever attitude the aircraft is in. Just look at that. Joe, talk us through some of those moves.
Well, that's a bump. You don't want to be doing that. You're having positive, negative G all over the place. Now watch this. Keep an eye, keep the camera rolling. Let's just put it back on itself. That you see the helicopter doing, actually the helicopter does not want to do, so I control the direction. Turn off the flight management system on there. The computer is nowhere near the controls. It's all hand and stick from the guys flying it, because normally the computer would say, stop this messing about.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are flying soldiers, the Blue Eagles Army helicopter display team. Soldiers first, airmen second. Anybody can fly. The role they perform: attack, command, control, movement of their materials, casualty of battlefields, and of course,